In this video, you'll learn how to download the Perplexity Comet browser. By following these steps, you will successfully install the browser on your device, whether you are using Windows or Mac. First, navigate to the Perplexity AI website. Ensure that your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions during the download process. Once the page loads, look for the profile icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. After you click on the profile icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Install Apps. This will direct you to a new screen where various applications available for download are listed. Next, scroll through the list of available apps and locate the Comet browser. It may take a moment to find it, so be patient as you look through the options presented to you. Once you find the Comet browser, click on the button labeled Install or Download. This action initiates the download process. Depending on your internet speed, the time it takes to download may vary, especially if your connection is slower. After clicking the Install button, follow the on-screen instructions that appear for either Windows or Mac. For Windows, you may need to confirm the installation by allowing permissions. For Mac, you might be prompted to drag the application into your Applications folder. Ensure that you complete these steps carefully to finalize the installation. Once the installation is complete, you can find the Comet browser in your applications. If you encounter any issues during the download or installation, double-check your available storage and ensure there is sufficient space for the new application. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.